If you have ever felt a sudden, ice-cold wave of panic in a pitch-black room, you are experiencing a literal ghost in your DNA. For 99% of human history, the dark wasn't just an absence of light, it was an active hunting ground. Our ancestors were far from the top of the food chain, and what they did to survive rewired the human brain forever. Today, we go back to the ancient savanna to see what your ancestors secretly did to survive the dark. When the sun set 50,000 years ago, humans became completely blind and incredibly vulnerable. Massive, long-extinct superpredators like the saber-toothed cat possessed perfect night vision and actively hunted primates. Our ancestors couldn't run and they couldn't fight in the dark. Their only defensive weapon was complete, absolute invisibility. The entire tribe would gather in the deepest part of a cave, extinguish their fires, and sit in total, suffocating silence. During these hours of darkness, humans developed what evolutionary psychologists call the hypervigilant freeze reflex. If an apex predator walked past the cave, a single sneeze or a crying baby meant instant death for the entire bloodline. The ancestors who survived were the ones whose bodies automatically flooded with adrenaline, paralyzing their muscles the moment they heard a snap. That sudden jolt of electricity you feel when a room goes dark is that exact survival reflex firing off today. Because they spent 12 hours a day paralyzed by fear, their brains evolved a hyperactive imagination. In the pitch black, the human brain started treating every shadow as a predator and every rustle as a death sentence. It was always safer to mistake a harmless bush for a monster than to mistake a monster for a bush. This evolutionary paranoia is the direct root of modern human anxiety. Your brain isn't broken. It is just running ancestral software designed to keep you alive. The industrial world replaced the terrifying savanna night with streetlights, but our biology never caught up. When you feel uncomfortable in a quiet house or lock your doors at night, you repeat ancient safety rituals. We conquered the predators, but we never conquered the fear they left inside our genetic code. If you want to discover more exciting stuff, click on this next video.